Today, we're gonna go explore the ballistics laboratory. This is Raniboy De Roquita and my pair, Paulo Rivera, from class 4BRB05. While we explored the ballistic lab, we saw some machine. This machine is called a comparator projector. This machine is used to carefully examine something without contact, measurement, and inspection. Based on Google, by the way. We observed the comparator projector have a bullet underneath. Our theory is this is used to compare a bullet to see if the said bullet is used by the same gun or something. We also found the shelves full of bullets. We saw some big bullets and some small bullets that we recognized. We saw some shotgun bullets, a pistol bullets, and a rifle bullets. We actually recognized some bullets by playing a first-person video game. We also see a drawing of a parts of a bullet. This is called a comparison microscope. This is used to identify tool mark identification. This machine is used to determine if a bullet came from the same gun. I found my friend geeking about French musket. He said this gun is famously used by Napoleon. There is a big stick here that is used to push the bullet into the barrel. My partner adds that the gunpowder of this musket is placed outside. That's it. See you.